technology development is just one impact that we can actually put as our contribution to the country as a whole. Technology in health in the Philippines has always been very minimal. We have virtually utilized almost 100% technology coming from outside. So we need to have that critical mass of young people building on knowledge and creating innovative technologies for the betterment of our country. I know that the lure of going outside, much better pay, more rewarding, I guess. It's a very strong pull for people who have great minds to live and work somewhere else. And we can't blame them. But I am really appealing to most of our younglings to consider staying and helping those who actually decided to stay and do research work in the Philippines despite of challenges. If we continue catering to this path, then we might succeed, becoming the next biotechnology giant in Asia. And I think in the end, it will pay off. It will pay off. So it's a challenge for younglings or young scientists and seasoned scientists as well to go through this particular track. Innovation is the heart of success in a lot of things. And innovation is driven by, of course, research. It's a tall order. It's a huge dream for everyone, but we have to start somewhere, right?